Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cockpit and install updates on your VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. In the address bar, type the IP address of your VPS, followed by port 9090. For example, enter http:// your VPS IP 9090. Press enter to navigate to the Cockpit login page. You will see a login form prompting for your credentials. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password. Once all information is filled in, click the Login button. After a successful login, you will be directed to the Cockpit dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Software Updates section. Click on Software Updates to view available updates. Cockpit will now check for any available updates for your system. Once the check is complete, you will see a list of updates. Review the updates before proceeding. If you wish to install all available updates, click the Install button. You may be prompted to authenticate again, so enter your credentials as required. Cockpit will then begin the installation process for the updates. You can monitor the progress on the screen. Once the updates are installed, you will see a confirmation message. Take a moment to review any important notices related to the updates. When everything is complete, you can safely log out by clicking your username in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Log Out. This completes the process of logging into Cockpit and installing updates on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.